In this question it is given that determine a vector which when added to the resultant of A and B gives a unit vector along the negative y direction. That means suppose if you are adding this A vector plus another vector, take it as B vector, and one more vector, take it as C vector. Because in question it is given that determine a vector which when added to the resultant of A vector and B vector. We know that resultant means addition. So A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to, should be a unit vector along the negative y direction. We know that unit vector along negative y direction is nothing but j cap. So Rm is to find out what about the value of this C vector. So we can write C vector is minus j cap and minus A cap and minus B cap. Now we can just put this value over here. So we can write the C cap will be equal to minus j cap minus of, can just observe what is A vector. A vector is 2I cap plus 5j cap minus k cap, and minus of B vector is nothing but 3I cap minus 4j cap minus k cap. So we can write the C vector is equal to minus j cap minus 2I cap minus 5j cap and plus k cap minus 3I cap plus 4j cap and plus k cap. Now we can add to find out the value of C cap over here. Over here we are having minus 2I cap and here we are having minus 3I cap. So if you are adding these two, we are going to get minus 5I cap. Now we can observe the term related to j cap. This is minus 1 and minus 5, that is minus 6, and minus 6 and plus 4, we are going to get minus 2 j cap. Then we have the term of k, that is plus k and plus k. So we are going to get the answer as something but plus 2k. So this should be the vector C vector.